start blinking. There you go.
Hi! Oh, this is a great idea. Hi everybody! So, I'm doing it with 2 cameras. So, today, we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch. Yay! So, let's go. See you later. We're gonna pick a pumpkin. Yay!
Whoa, check it out. All right, look at what Jordan's wearing. Why are you wearing that?
Pumpkin patch.
All right, so we are heading over down to meet my cousins, and we're going to a pumpkin patch, guys. So it is Halloween. We're heading over to a pumpkin patch right now. Come check it out with us.
Whoa!
Crunch Baby's here. Crunch Baby's here.
I say whoa.
Baba's here. And Crunch Mom's here. Alright guys, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Come with us. Whoa, check it out. Look at Kaiya is Wonder Woman. Woo woo woo. And then look at Jordan. He's Spider Wonder Dude.
Kaiya, where are we?
Where are we? Pumpkin shop.
One more time. Where are we?
Where are we?
Pumpkin patch.
Pumpkin patch. Oh, I see. Oh, patch. Okay. All right, so we just made it, and we are now we just parked. We're gonna wait for everyone to show up. My cousins and their kids. So we're gonna meet up with them before we go in. And why is it so busy? Today's like a Thursday.
Because it's
Look at
only
this.
3 more days until Halloween. 3 more days
This place
until
is
Halloween.
crowded. What are you guys doing? You're so silly. Hello.
Baba.
You have Spider-Man, Star Wars, and Superman, and
And
Pikachu.
Pokemon. Whoa, you're super 4. Nice. Nice. How tall are you guys? Nice. Kaiya. All right, so it's been like a long time since I've been to this pumpkin patch. They've kind of done a lot. I've only driven by it when I was in like high school and stuff. But they've done a lot to change this place up. There's kind of a good amount of things to do for kids now. Whoa. What are you looking at?
The pumpkin.
Oh, which pumpkin?
It goes in the pumpkin.
Let's go see the animals.
Whoa, check it out.
Abby!
And let's say, and cheese. Cheese, one more cheese. All right, cool, check it out. We're in the pumpkin. Whoa. This way.
You come back later?
All right, let's go walk around. Let's go walk around and check it out. Look, they have a petting zoo here. And then they have some cool like boat things. And then they have like a cool Oktoberfest beer garden thing here. So check it out. Look at this, you could even pan for gold. Very cool.
You go mining for gold.
Yeah, panning for gold. Wow. You want some kettle corn?
Yeah.
Say, can I have some, please? Jordan, can I have some, please? How was it? Good, nice, good. More? Oh my goodness, more please. Nice, nice bite. Are you excited?
Everybody.
What are we gonna ride right now?
40 years they have
Cars.
Oh yeah, you're gonna drive a John Deere tractor thing. All right, go ahead, go. Kaiya, hold on to this. All right, go, mister, go. Okay.
If it's red, he gets an octopus.
Yep.
If it's blue, he can chop a fish.
Oh,
Just one, Jordan.
oh, just one. That's blue. Whoa, which one do you want? Thank you. Okay, Kaiya, your turn. There's 2 ducks. Get one out. All right. Blue. Oh, thank you. Whoa. Nice. Let me see yours. Whoa, whoa. Until you knock it off. Oh, so close. Okay, last one, and then Daddy will do it. Oh! All right, go. Hey!
Good job.
Cool. But whoa, that was so much fun. Oh, it's kind of dark in here. It's gotten dark, guys. So we're gonna be heading home, guys. Okay. I know. Okay, we'll see everyone later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, everybody. So we're just going to the Halloween party. We're just going there to go
We're celebrating Baby Ben's birthday.
yeah, we're celebrating Baby Ben's birthday.
You have to tell them who Baby Ben is.
Baby Ben is
Your cousin.
my cousin.
Do you know how old he's turning?
Yeah, 1. He's turning 1 year old. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.
All right, we're here. Check out Jordan. What are you? All right. Let's go check out the other ones too. All right, and there's baby, Crunch baby. And look, there's Crunch Bomb. All right, let's go. All right, check it out, guys. Jordan's gonna go into the bounce house and he's gonna do the biggest jump a Pikachu could ever jump. Oh, goodness. Let's see how high he can jump. Whoa! Nice, nice. Whoa, balloons! Throw it. Nice.
Can we do a family photo?
Yeah. Oh, how is it? Oh, very good. How are you, mister? Yeah, he just stepped in poop. Ooh. Nah, that's not the right shoe. Maybe it was the left shoe. Might be the right shoe. I don't know. Oh, look. Let's go trick-or-treating. Woo, woo, woo. Here we go.
All right, have fun. See you later. Have fun. Yay, have fun.
Marsha's birthday today, too. Hi. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Come and get.
Oh, oh.
Like Pikachu's.
Licorice.
Oh,
Didn't move.
Thank you.
go Kaiya.
Go, Kaiya, go.
Kaya too.
Okay, Kaiya, go.
Come on in and get something. I'm scared at all.
Okay, nice. Thank you. Oh, nice smiles. All right, how'd it go?
Good.
Kaiya, how was it? How was it?
Check it out.
Oh, you want to take it off? Okay. Are you all done with Pikachu? Okay.
Me too.
Okay. Oh, you're so sweaty. Oh, not really. Okay, how was it?
Take my shoes off.
Oh, yeah, how was it?
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Okay, bye-bye. We'll see you guys. How'd it go?
Good.
All right, how was it? Did you like it? Yeah, I think she was happy. Oh, look at all that candy.
All right, guys, we're all done for today. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye. 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 Oh, you were just excited about candy. See you guys later. Bye-bye.